Northern Ireland's at a tipping point. There's a 12% increase in the number of people with heart failure. There's a 14% increase in the last 5 years in the number of people with atrial fibrillation. This is a real wake-up call. This is a ticking time bomb, and government and society needs to do something about it. We'll be encouraging government. We'll be looking at a new way, actually, of funding research in Northern Ireland through a heart network model, which we've already employed in Wales. But overall, we've got to get people's minds focused on that there is a problem and that they are going to do something about it. Otherwise, we're going to face, a ticking time bomb, a tipping point will lead to further deaths. And it's the responsibility of government today to change those statistics for the future. I think it's important that people understand that that we're living unhealthier lives and we must do something about it. And where possible, people should take action to try and do that. But unfortunately, in many cases, it's outside their control. We're being offered too much ultra-processed food, fast food, there's too much sugar and salt in food. And those issues will come down to governments taking control and altering legislation to make sure that people are afforded the healthiest option first. It's time to reimagine how research can really be at the heart of this. And already we're working on fantastic science. For example, in the next few years, we believe we'll have cracked cardiomyopathy and we could end up with an injectable cure. And we're working on artificial intelligence that will potentially predict the likelihood of a heart attack up to 10 years in advance. This is mind-blowing research that British Heart Foundation has been doing and will continue to do.